Good morning, brother.
Good morning.
Show me the teddy bear, please.
Here it is. This one is 500. If it is of made in India.
Have you got a few more?
Give me a moment. I will show you.
Please give me show me to attractive in different colors too.
Look at there. All these teddy bear are kept together. If you don't like any of those, kindly wait till the evening. I will get about 15 to 20 more by then.
Okay, this one is very beautiful and cute. Just take it.
This one is a bit costly, sir.
How much is it?
It will cost 900.
Please discount me a bit.
Not less than of 800.
It's okay. Take it. I have to give it to someone.
Here it is.
Okay, here is my money. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.